The Three Gorges Dam reached its biggest flood peak since its construction, the CCP deliberately concealing the danger of the cataclysm. The Three Gorges Dam saw its biggest flood peak since the construction of the reservoir, reaching 75,500 cubic meters per second at 8 a.m. on Sunday. 11 overflow holes of the reservoir were opened, discharging a record 49,300 cubic meters of water per second. Three Gorges Dam currently has to open the maximum flood discharge door. As major flooding continues to affect areas along the Yangtze River, Chinese President Xi Jinping, who is also General Secretary of the Communist Party of China's Central Committee and Chairman of the CPC Central Military Commission, emphasizes the importance of the armed forces. Chinese Premier Li Keqiang arrived in Chongqing, southwestern China on Thursday before visiting residents in the village of Shuangba, where more than 12,000 people were affected by the floods. Mr. Li called on the local government to strengthen flood control and disaster relief work to ensure the safety of people's lives and property. The peak flow and the largest flow rate recorded have raised concerns about the dam's ability to handle floods. China's leaders are lying that the Three Gorges Dam is safe. However, according to the information of the local people, the dam is seriously damaged and not safe during this year's flood season. Such a high flood peak could pose a risk to the dam in case the flood persists. Gao Jianmo, a member of the expert committee of the National Committee for Disaster Mitigation, told the Global Times on Saturday. The Three Gorges Corporation, together with the Ministry of Water Resources and other authorities, conducted an operation recently, supposedly repairing cracks in the dam. However, this is only a temporary measure to cover the unsafety of the dam. With the maximum amount of floodwater released, the lower Yangtze River has risen to an alarming one since this morning on July 10. The Chinese government has had to relocate more than 100,000 people in dangerous areas. The relief pressure on flood control of the Three Gorges project is adding more pressure on flood control to Sichuan province and Chongqing City, southwest China. On Thursday, Chongqing closed the Hongya Caves, a popular tourist attraction with its resemblance to a building from the Japanese animated film Spirited Away, as well as several scenic spots and avenues public after the city launched its first Level 1 emergency response. The water level detected at Kuntan Port Station in Chongqing, located in the upper reaches of the Yangtze River, reached 192 meters on Saturday morning, 8.1 meters on the safe line, the highest point since the station was established. In 1939,